In this question, it is given as A, B, and C are the unit vectors satisfying this condition, and we need to find the value of this. So, let's use this condition first. When you split it, you will get it as 2 times of magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus magnitude of C square minus 2 times of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. That is equal to 9. Assume this whole thing as x. Now we can write it as 2 times of 3 because A, B, C are unit vectors minus 2 times of x is equal to 9. You will get it as x as minus 3 by 2. Now let us find the value of A plus B plus C whole square. It is A square plus B square plus C square, that is 3 minus of 2 times of this x. Sorry, plus. It becomes 3 plus 2 times of minus 3 by 2, that is 0. From here, we can write it as A plus B plus C is 0. If you observe, here it is 2A plus, if you take 5 common, it is B plus C. So, from here, we can write B plus C as minus A. So, just substitute here, you will get it as 2A plus 5 times of minus A. It becomes mod of minus 3A, that is 3 times of mod A. Magnitude of A is nothing but 1. So 3 is the required answer to this question. In this question, it's given as all the 3 vectors are given and they are told that they are mutually orthogonal. What does it mean? It means that A dot B is 0, B dot C is 0, and C dot A is also 0. A dot B, when you do that, you will get it as 0. So nothing significant over here. B dot C, it becomes 2 lambda plus 4 plus mu is 0. C dot A, it's lambda minus 1 plus 2 mu as 0. So when you solve these two equations, you will get the value of lambda and mu. So just multiply this whole equation with 2. From 1 we'll get it as 2 lambda plus 4 plus mu is 0. From second equation, when you multiply it with 2, you will get it as 2 lambda minus 2 plus 4 mu is 0. So when you subtract 2 lambda get cancelled, 4 plus 2 is 6, minus 3 mu is 0. From here, you will get mu value as 2. So just substitute this mu value in any of the equation. You will get it as 2 lambda is nothing but minus 4 minus mu, that is 2 minus 6. Therefore, lambda will be minus 3. So, lambda comma mu is nothing but minus 3 comma 2. Find the values of A for which position vectors of A, B, C are given, and they are the vertices of the triangle, and the angle C is given, that is pi by 2. So this is a triangle where side C and angle is pi by 2, and this is vertex A and this is vertex B. So from here we can tell कि AC vector dot BC vector is 0 because two vectors are perpendicular to each other. So it is given, position vector of A is given, that is 2i minus j plus k cap, and position vector of B is given, that is I cap minus 3j minus 5k cap, and position vector of C is given, that is small a I cap minus 3j cap plus k. So how do you find AC? AC is nothing but OC minus OA. When you do this, you will get it as A minus 2 I cap. It becomes minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2j cap. Plus k minus k gets cancelled. And similarly, BC becomes OC minus OB. This we can write it as A minus 1 I cap minus 3j plus 3j will get cancelled and plus k plus 5, that is plus 6k cap. Now AC dot BC becomes A minus 2 into A minus 1 and J doesn't have anything to multiply. So it just becomes 0 over here. Now just multiply it, you'll get A square minus 2A minus A, that is minus 3A plus 2, which is nothing but 0. Just factorize it, you will get it A values as 2 and 1.